set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe.
The K5 Full Control Home is part of the most advanced range of pressure washers from the world's #1 manufacturer, Karcher. Simple to put together, the K5 pressure washer is ready to use in minutes. And with storage on the front of the machine, everything you need to clean any surface is always available. The telescopic handle and guidance system allows you to move easily around any surface being cleaned, whilst the Quick Connect hose and lance fitting, plus plug-and-clean detergent system, makes it simple and quick. The new Full Control system gives you the confidence to clean any surface around your home. Select the correct spray lance using the symbols on the accessory as a guide. When using the Vario spray lance, simply twist the nozzle to move up through the different pressure settings. The correct symbol for the surface being cleaned will be indicated on the digital display. It's perfect for cleaning any surface, from paving and decking, brick and stone walls, wood, plastic, and of course, cars. This K5 Full Control also comes with a home package that includes a 1-litre stone detergent and a T350 patio cleaner. Perfect for cleaning larger areas up to 5 times faster than a standard spray lance. Once you've finished, the machine is quick to pack away and the compact design makes it easy to store.
This is the all-new AR 2050 electric pressure washer. It's a pretty neat little unit. I'm going to use this in the video, as you'll see later, to clean this car. And I want to show it to you because it's something that you yourself can do at home to get similar results of that of a professional detailer. So this is just over 2,000 psi, conserving water up to about 80% less than a garden hose at only 1.4 gallons per minute. So you're going to save a little time, you're going to save some money, you're going to have a fun time doing it. Some of the features on this item are, it's got a wand holder on the side. It's pretty well constructed, it's lightweight, but this is what I think is pretty cool about it. The unit comes right off of the cart. It's light, it's compact, you can throw it in your trunk to take somewhere to wash something. If you don't want to use the cart, you can set it on the ground, you can carry it around. There's also an optional shelf bracket that you can buy from AR, so you can mount this permanently in your garage. Make cleaning your car easy. So that comes on and off, really simple, locks into place. Another couple of quick features, it's got the cord wrap here with a quick release so you can just pop the cord off. There's a neat little holder here for your different sprayer tips. There's a chemical container so you can put car wash soaps in there if you'd like with the chemical tip. Make things easier for you to use. Also, when you have this unit mounted to the carrier, the wand is held here like I said, but when you pull this off, there's a holder here for your wand. So when you lift this up, you can pop the wand in this little holder here. Everything's contained. So all you have to do is take off the tip here, thread it into this easy quick connect on the end of the wand, and you're ready to go. Just pop in your favorite tip, start spraying. Or with the foam cannon itself, some of them tell you how to mix it. Also, trial and error. I'd like to mix it a certain way that's based on how I do it, how I find it works the best. So I'll show you how that works. These have an adjustable tip, which is going to give you a fan or a point. You'll see it's super easy, real quick. Again, I start at the top, get a good layer of foam on the car. That's 2/3 of the car right there. As you can see, it doesn't take long at all to wash your car. All you have to do is continue around the rest of the car, rinse it off. You're ready to dry. Put some wax on it, be on your way. Have a great day in the sun with your car.
Introducing the 13-amp 1500 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the Quick Connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1500 psi pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1500 psi pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts.